Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix your Strava distance. If you're having trouble with fixing your Strava distance, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's get started. Go to your settings app and then search location. Tap the result that says location or location services. You're looking for the screen that has a switch to turn on or off along with access mode settings. After that, tap on location services or Google location accuracy. Turn on improve location accuracy or use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile networks for location. This enables high accuracy mode which combines GPS plus Wi-Fi plus cellular signals. After that, go to app permissions and then go to Strava and then click on allow. Now for the last step, what you have to do is go to settings and then search apps and then look for your app Strava in the apps option. Then once you find the app Strava, you'll have to click on it and then go a little bit down and then click on storage and then you'll have to click on clear cache. To final check, you'll have to go outside an open area, launch Strava and start a test activity. Wait for the GPS to stabilize before hitting record. One of these methods should have helped you fix your Strava GPS. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.